So, I'm gonna do this again. Again, sadly. So I have my friend here, expired avocado. He is returning for the second time, but YouTube did not want to upload that video. So, here he is technically for the first time. Say hello.
Hola, como estes?
Close enough.
Fine, hello!
Mrs. McKenzie for the helpful tip. The bagger at the grocery store cannot whistle.
Yeah, we
We'll
got
remove
done
her from the suspect
helping
list.
Maurice.
Let's go to a break. I need you for a second.
All right, folks. We need to take a quick break. This one's for all those folks out there keeping the hatches battened.
Let's see. Let's do Final Breath. We haven't heard that one. Oh, that was the new one I found.
I know him. You love him. This is Roddy Snatcher with his new single, Final Breath. All right, Peggy, what's up?
I pushed a cassette under my door. Go play it.
I hate when this game does that.
You stopped the show for a tape?
Just go get it.
Okay. Something a bit iffy. Turn the music down. Yep. That was the one that squishy.
Or try your call again.
Straight to voicemail? My God. Are there any professionals at KFAM? This is Gina Franklin. I'm calling because your backwater station has not honored our agreement. We gave you Mr. Snatcher's newest single, the kind of honor you never had and probably never will again. And we've still not received any information about when you're fitting it into your busy programming. I'll be frank, I didn't want you as part of this debut, but Mr. Snatcher, due to his prior friendship with Mr. Nash...
Prior and current friendship, Gina. Forrest, mate, you alright? Don't worry about Gina, you know how she is. But yeah, can't wait for you to hear the new single, man. I think Final Breath is my best work yet. I really hope you and your listeners like it. And man, if you ever find your way this side of the pond, let me know. We'll have to catch up.
If Final Breath isn't played on your airwaves by the end of Mr. Nash's show tonight, the next call will be much less friendly.
That was Roddy Snatcher, Forrest. You know, Roddy Snatcher?
Run, Forrest, run!
Yeah, Roddy and I are old friends.
I love Roddy. I Will Always Find You was my song. I wish we still had it in rotation. Oh my God, I can't believe you know Roddy Snatcher. And I can't believe you didn't tell me he sent you his new single. We have to play Final Breath. Where is it?
I found it earlier, hidden away at reception.
Ugh, why didn't Barbara say anything?
I mean, well, if that fiasco last Friday about the missing Knife and Easy track is any indication, folks at KFAM aren't against hoarding station music for personal use. I think we're still missing a few tracks, actually.
Well, we have it now. Let's put it on.
It's right here. I was just playing.
Gallows Creek. I'm pleased to say we're in for a much-needed treat. Up next, courtesy of the British sensation himself, is a track you won't hear everywhere. Here's Final Breath by Roddy Snatcher.
Wow. God, Roddy's the best.
He is. And more importantly, we should be safe from the worst of Gina Franklin.
And I think that's every time I've seen him live.
Peggy, you just talked through the whole song.
Oh, whoops. It's okay. I can just play it on loop later. Oh, shoot. I just noticed we have a caller waiting. I really hope it's nothing serious.
Evening, caller. This is Forrest Nash, host of 189.16, The Scream. And tonight's 911 stand-in.
I forgot about
This
that.
is Murphy.
Murphy.
Hello, Murphy. What have you got for us tonight?
Two things, Forrest. First, happy birthday to my son, Fernando. He's 3 today, and man, being his daddy has changed my life. I've learned how to live, how to laugh, most importantly, how to love.
Aw, happy birthday, Fernando.
Happy birthday, Fernando.
Thanks. And now, my other thing. I'm putting the word out to this so-called killer. You think you're tough, huh? Big man, big knife, huh? Reuben, come face me, a true warrior at the gallows waste disposal plant.
He's egging on the killer.
Guess what?
Are you gonna kick his ass, Murphy?
Goddamn right! I'm gonna kick his ass! I got all the tapes in Master of his Dojo series. So get ready, whistling man. You just let loose the junkyard dog.
Oh, no.
No! You can't say
And
things
there he
like
goes.
that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
here.
keep your fingers crossed for Murphy as he tries to become our hometown hero. Anyway,
You should totally get me
we'll be right back after this commercial.
I have a commercial preloaded.
Great
I'm
party,
a genius.
Thanks. Can I grab another beer? Hey, sure thing. Let me grab you one out of the fridge. Oh no, we're out of beer. What am I gonna do? The party is going to be over.
Fear not. The Grill & Spree will give you a free 6-pack of beer if Gallows High wins this Tuesday.
Say what?
That's right. Order a meal deal from us and you'll get a free 6-pack of beer if Gallows High wins.
Free 6-pack? Righteous.
You heard me. 6 beers if Gallows High wins. Sounds like you've already had enough beers.
I hope we murder them.
Me too, Billy. Me too. Come on down to Grill & Spree or call 555-749-8335. We've got barbecue you'll die for.
That's...
Yeah. Hey, Forrest, do you know what the Grill Reaper's
Yikes.
favorite grilling spree order is?
I have a feeling you're gonna tell me.
Spare ribs.
Just get me back on the air. And we're back.
We got a caller. You know what to do. We got a caller. You know what to do.
Yeah.
Hello, caller. You're live on the stream with me, Forrest Nash. Hello? Who is this? Are you okay? Do you need help?
Forrest? He called me? That horrible whistling down the phone.
What is he,
He's coming
Ghostface?
Jesus.
Hey, listen, caller, don't panic. We've done this a few times now. We can help you.
A few times already? So, you saved them, or?
We sure did. You're in safe hands.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna help you. Can you tell me your name, caller?
I'm Dr. Sullivan. Virginia. Sorry.
Take some deep breaths, Virginia. You're gonna be okay.
Please don't let me die.
I won't. Just calm down. Tell me where you are right now. What's your address?
I'm...
What would you do?
Oh, God.
let her die.
Can you...
Hopefully we don't get copyright, but you ever seen
Is there a
how
neighbor you
the
can call for
Lorax-
help?
No.
Let it
Everyone's great.
die.
There's just a fraternity down the street.
You live by a frat house.
Yes, they're having a party. And takeout coming in all night. One covered in beer cans. They're getting wasted. And I'm about to get... Oh, God.
Virginia, what's the name of the...
Wait a minute. There. Okay, wait. I remember this. From the last time. Stop. There was a group of kids that called pretending to be the whistling man, and they sound like they were at a frat party. Is this that exact same frat party? Oh, what did they say? They said, what? They said, stop. What? Cool. They said, what did they say? They said they wanted, I don't know if this will be important later or not, but it might be. Because they said they needed, what was it? Cheese dusted pretzels? And a big gulp.
Frat.
It's oh god.
Are they at 7-Eleven?
Any idea what the frat might be, Peggy?
If I knew where she was, I might know, but... Wait, the takeout! If we can get takeout to the frat, we can get a message to them to go and help. Virginia, who did they order takeout from?
I don't know.
Don't be a child. No, try to remember.
Come on, Virginia. Try to remember.
I can't do this.
Well, folks, seems like our Virginia hung up. While we try to figure out what takeout to order, here's some music for your own midnight snacks.
Let's do, the Hangouts. That's fitting.
Hope you enjoy this one as much as I do. Peggy, what places do takeout in Gallows Creek?
Off the top of my head? Well... There's the barbecue place, Grilling Spree, and you can order from Chalupa Cabras. Oh, and of course we have Ponte's Pizza. That's it, I think.
I hate that guy. Chalupa Cabra? My hometown!
That's it? Gallows Creek only has 3 places?
You know, Forrest, just for once, I think you should be thankful that we're not in Chicago.
All right. We'll call each place and ask who they deliver to tonight.
That's not going to work. Takeout client privilege.
What?
There was a lot of competition back in the day. Things got ugly. It's a long story. But what we can do is this. We figure out where the frat boys order from, call the takeout pretending to be from the frat, place an order, and include a note asking them to call the station.
There's no other way, is there?
Not that I can see.
Well, let's not waste any time then.
That's the spirit.
You got any suggestions on where to look?
Check the offices for anything food related. And maybe the kitchen downstairs. You'll need a key for that. I'll just slide it under my door now.
Thanks, Peggy. God, where to start?
Okay, I already forgot what she
order
said.
From somewhere.
Wait, what did she say? My clues were the frat party might have.
If I were a partying frat boy. We have a food critic, right? Chad or Brad or... I'll just have to look around.
Where did she say to go? I don't remember. I think it was back here. Why is this place here? That is back here. Wonder, is there any little tapes? Not tapes, but what do we call it? Is that toys maybe? Nope. I wonder if there is any records. What is this? This is okay. 7 days. Ain't no way they got the 7 days tape. I agree.
I'm gonna curse on my own child.
You did. Recording it, brother. Oh my god.
Rooting through trash. This is a new low. Ooh. Interesting offer. I wonder how well Gallows High performed.
Pizza. Is that? Oh, what else else could there be?
Go Gallows High, I guess.
Oh, they won. Okay, so 28 to 20. So they won. And then remember in the ad, it said Grilling Spree would give them a free 6-pack of beer with every order if Gallows High wins. So, and what does this? What do you see? Every point that Gallows High wins by in Tuesday's big game with every order. Now, do you think they would go with Grilling Spree, or do you think they'd go with Ponte's? I don't want to call it Ponte's Pizza because Ponte's Pizza did an advertising for free. But hell, it might just be Ponte's Pizza.
Nice. New music to play.
I think that's everything down here.
I need a key to get in there. I'm not getting in there tonight. Needs a key.
Why does the fire exit need a key? That is bad infrastructure. I think that's everything we could find. And I mean, that does narrow it down. It's either Ponte's Pizza or Grilling Spree. No. That, oh, I forgot about the map. This has got to be important. There's no way they would have a map like this. If it, I'm taking this with me. Because there's no way this isn't important. Is that not everything?
It's not opening.
Wuss. There's gotta be something. There has to be something else. What else could there be? I mean, other than the Grilling Spree ad, that's about it. Infusion. Do the rat traps actually work? And clue at. Oh. I couldn't tell. Do I have to bring these up with me? I somehow have a third arm. What more is there? Do I have to play the grilling spree ad again?
Grilling spree. I better see what's on this tape.
Oh my god! I'm gonna lose my mind!
Great party, man. Thanks. Can I grab another beer? Hey, sure thing. Let me grab you one out of the fridge.
Oh no, we're out of beer. What am I gonna do? The party is going to be over.
Fear not. The grilling spree will give you a free 6-pack of beer if Gallows High wins this Tuesday.
Say what?
That's right. Order a meal deal from us and you'll get a free 6-pack of beer if Gallows High wins.
A free 6-pack? Righteous!
You heard me. 6 beers if Gallows High wins. Sounds like you've already had enough beers.
I hope we murder them.
Me too, Billy. Me too. Come on down to Grilling Spree or call 555-749-8335. We've got a barbecue you'll die for.
I am going to lose my ever-loving mind.
Hey, find anything useful?
I'll wing it. I'm gonna save just in case somebody dies.
Yes, I have.
That's great. Are you ready to get back on the line?
Let's make the call.
Okay, Forrest. What'll it be?
Which one do you think? You think Pawnee's Pizza or do you think Grilling Spree?
Grilling spree.
Alright, because it's got the most evidence pointing to it, I feel like. But then again, like...
Call Grilling Spree.
Okay. The Grill Reaper is on the line.
You're through to Grilling Spree. They've got barbecue you'll die for.
Hey, dude. What's going on?
Can I just have your order?
I want ribs. Big ribs. For my frat house brothers.
Right. And where'd you want that delivered?
Same place as before, you know. The frat house.
Same address? Alright. We'll get it to you soon.
Oh, and one more thing. Can you add a note to the order that says to call K-Fam?
A note? Okay. Better tip for this.
And now we wait.
We should put a song on.
Agreed. This one goes out to our delivery workers.
What song do you think we should play? Should we play let's do 180X or 198X.
You're gonna love this next track. Which of the takeout places would you order from?
To save Virginia?
No, where would you actually eat?
Oh, I mean, they're all pretty equal.
Sure, but if you had to pick one.
All right. Not Ponty. He's not Ponty.
Right, so between Grilling Spree and Chalupa Cobbers.
I mean, it depends. Do I want a plate full of meat? Or do I want really, really good nachos? It can change depending on the day, you know?
Yeah, fair enough. Maybe I...
Hold that thought, Forrest. We've got a call coming in.
I didn't know it was negative.
When you're ready, shut the music off.
Hello, caller. You're live on the Scream with me, Forrest Nash.
189. This is Dudley from the Brotherly Fraternity of Engineers. I have a note to call you.
Hey, weird question. But you aren't the only ones on your street tonight, are you?
No, sir. I think everyone on the street is in tonight. Yeppers. I've just visually confirmed it. I see cars in the driveways, and a couple of lights on. Everyone's in, yeah.
Oh. And you've not been throwing a loud party all night, have you?
I certainly hope we haven't disturbed our neighbors. Why do you ask, sir?
Forrest, we have a new call coming.
Ah! Did I miss it? No, I don't know. We got some nerd dude on the phone.
Forrest, line 2.
Hello, you're live on 189.16, The Stream.
Forrest, it's the whistling man.
You were wrong. How dare you?
He's at the door. Oh my god.
Yep, no, alright. We're reloading.
It's you.
Good thing I saved. Yeah, of course, the nerd guy we ordered from a place like Grilling Spree.
Yes, I have.
That's great. Are you ready to get back on the line?
Let's make the call.
Okay, Forrest. What'll it be?
Monty's Pizza.
What? Jesus
Call
Christ.
Ponty's Pizza.
You got it.
I am
Ponty's
not going
Pizza
through this
is
having
on the
anyone
line.
die. I'm doing a flawless victory with this.
Ponty's Pizza. May I take your order?
Fratmen calling. We're in major need of foods for dudes.
May I take your order?
Oh, man. I got a frat to feed. So give me that slow roast pizza.
Oh, a fine choice. But that will take 3 hours. You sure?
Never mind.
Never mind. Just give me the garlic bread.
Can? Where do you want that delivered?
Same place as before, you know. The frat house.
Got it. And we'll have that over to you right away.
Oh, and one more thing. Can you add a note to the order that says to call K-Fam?
K-Fam? Oh, consider it done. The folks at K-Fam are huge fans of Ponty's Pizza, you know. I should really call them and let them know.
And now we wait.
We should put a song on.
Agreed. This one goes out to our delivery workers. You're gonna love this next track.
This better be the, if it's the Chalupa Cabra, I'm gonna lose my mind because there's nothing pointing to it.
Which of the takeout places would you order from?
To save Virginia?
No, where would you actually eat?
Oh, I mean, they're all pretty equal.
You mean equally awful?
No, equally good. But if I had to order, not Ponty. He's not Ponty.
Right, so between Grilling Spree and Chalupa Cobbers.
I mean, it depends. Do I want a plate full of meat? Or do I want really, really good nachos? It can change depending on the day, you know?
Yeah, fair enough. Maybe I...
Hold that thought, Forrest. We've got a call coming in.
Wait, real quick. Playtime 1 hour and 30 minutes. Have we really been playing for 1 hour and 30 minutes already? Have we seriously already been playing for
When you're ready, shut the music off.
Hello, caller. You're live on the stream with me, Forrest Nash.
Hey, this is Fratman Plunker!
Yeah!
I got some garlic bread and a note to call this number.
Yes!
Plunker, this is Forrest Nash from 189.16, The Scream. And
Is this Goose? Oh, man. It's totally you, isn't it, Goose? This is such a Goose prank.
Plunker, this is an emergency.
Nice try, Goose. I may be drunk, but I'm no...
Listen, I need you to...
Goose, come get beer. Your brothers are waiting for you.
I'm not Goose. How can I prove this to you?
Oh, let me get a second opinion on this. Norman the Barbarian! What do you think?
Norman the Barbarian.
Great idea. Norman the Barbarian says only the radio man can control the tunes. So, play us the flow.
Wait, really? What? The flow?
Norman the Barbarian demands it.
Okay. I'll play the damn song.
Oh, shit. Okay, radio man. You got my attention. What is it?
Thank God. Listen, you've got to get over to your neighbor's house. All of you. Just...
Say no more. Plunker's moving the house.
Forrest, line 2.
Hello, you're live on 189.16, The Scream.
Forrest, it's the killer. He's at the
It's the
door.
same as...
Grace. Oh my God, it's you, isn't it? Clive, I didn't talk, I promise.
Why?
The party has arrived!
Oh, thank God. He's gone and... Oh!
Oh, is that you, radio man? Don't worry, we brought the beer. Good times are here.
I could use a drink. Thank you,
You
Forrest.
got a name now for the killer, Clive.
You're welcome, Virginia.
And thank you to Plunker and his fraternity brothers.
Some heroes wear capes, some wear sheets as togas.
Hey, Forrest, did you hear what Virginia said earlier?
What was that all about? Clive, I didn't talk. Do you know what she meant?
There's a janitor here at the station named Clive, but your guess is as good as mine.
All right, folks. Seems we may have a lead.
If any of you know a suspicious Clive, then please call in. It could save lives.
In the meantime, looks like we have another caller.
Already? Oh, damn.
Hello, caller. You're live on The Scream with me, Forrest Nash.
It's great to speak with you, Forrest. As
I already know who this is.
small business
Oh.
owner, I find this all horrifying. A killer roaming the streets of our fair town? Terrible.
I hear you there. It's a scary time for everyone in Gallows Creek. How are you holding up? You somewhere safe tonight?
Yes, Forrest, I am. I'm here at work in my small business. It's a safe, family-friendly place.
Oh, what small business do you own?
Oh, well, I'm not really big on promotion, but since you ask, it's Ponty's Pizza! The best and only pizza place in town! Come on down and get yourself a cracking deal on our 2-for-1.
God damn it, Ponty, no! No free ads!
I mean, I guess we can't be that mad at him. Calling Ponty's did save Virginia.
I can be mad, Peggy. That sort of thing just... I can be mad.
Look, he's gone now. We already have somebody else on the line. Just take a deep breath and let's keep going.
Evening, caller. This is Forrest Nash, host of 189.16, The Scream, and tonight's 911 stand-in.
Hi. Hello? Am I on air?
Sure are, caller. What's your name, and what have you got for us tonight?
Name's Eugene Stein, and I've got a heart full of love, Forrest. I'm hanging out in the middle of the maze, listening to your show.
I knew it!
Looking
I
up at the
knew
stars
this damn
and
map would come in
waiting
handy.
for her.
You got a special lady coming out to see you.
Yeah. Molly. We planned to get lost in the maze tonight. To take our first journey together into the love labyrinth. That's why I'm calling, actually. I thought she'd be here an hour
The
ago.
love tunnel.
And since I've listened all night to how cool you play it, I thought you were the perfect guy to ask. Should I call her up and ask if she's coming, or wait and see?
For real, kid?
If you've been listening all night, do you really need to ask me?
Yes, that's why I'm calling.
Bingo. Here's what I was looking for.
Okay, go home to your parents, man.
Eugene, you really need to go home to your parents.
My parents are dead, actually. But,
Oh, jeez.
yeah, I guess it's not the night.
Real? What?
Hang on.
Dude, come on,
There's
man.
something like-
You're halfway there.
Molly! I'm in the middle!
Oh no. Oh my.
It'll
I
take
just
a
dropped my
while to
controller.
get here, but, thanks again, Forrest. It's been good talking. Wait a second. Molly can't whistle. No, this is supposed to be the best night of my life! Not the worst.
You brought this on yourself, kid. We'll get you out of
Stay
this.
calm, Eugene. We'll get you out of this.
Carm! I'm about to die a virgin!
Listen, Eugene, breathe, hide, and call back in a minute. We'll get you out.
I'll do it for Molly. But please, hurry.
Okay, wait.
Well, listeners, while Peggy and I deliberate, here's a track for all you lovers out there.
Let's do late night lurkers, if you dare.
Listen in to this next track from Late Night Lurkers, if you dare. How the hell am I supposed to get him through the maze?
You know Barbara, our receptionist? She's a maze fanatic. Shame she isn't here. I was supposed to go with her last week, but she changed her mind.
Why'd she change her mind?
She went with that jerk Brad instead.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Peggy.
It's fine. I'm not the one who had to go out with that jerk Brad after all.
Maybe we should call Barbara then? If she's so big on the maze.
We could, but I don't actually know her number.
Bruh.
But she probably has maze stuff somewhere.
Another map.
Go and see what you can find. That'll hopefully be enough.
Which one is Barbara again?
Barbara! You know, Barbara! Forrest, I've seen you speak to her.
Help me out, Peggy.
She's the receptionist. Sits at reception, never does any work because she's talking to Brad all day. Ring any bells?
Right, yeah, sorry, I guess it's just the stress of...
No excuses. Just go and find something to help us.
What the fuck? Maggie.
Any luck?
Yeah, I found a map for the maze in the trash.
Why was it in the trash? Never mind. It doesn't matter right now. That's a question for Barbara later. Eugene called while you were away. He's on line 1.
Eugene.
Okay, Forrest. Shut the music off.
Right, Eferdor.
Welcome back to 189.16, The Scream. I hope you lovers like that track. And I hope we can help our lover in the maze. Eugene, you're back on air.
I'm lost, Forrest. I just ran and I don't know where I am. I'm at a crossroad, facing a tractor statue.
Wait, okay, so he's in the
There are hay bales painted gold on my right.
Oh my god! Really? At this time? Yeah.
anybody who may be watching this, but my friend's expired milk is taking a very important call with his genetic predecessor.
Alright, Gleepers and Goblins, I'm back. Avocado, come sit in your chair.
What was the call?
Food.
Food?
Yeah.
What's for food?
Well, since you're gonna be gone, me and we're having chicken tacos.
You think you can just eat tacos and I'm not gonna tax you for it?
Yes, because you won't be here.
No, I'm just gonna teleport, dog.
You're gonna pull a Doctor Strange in the middle of jujitsu. Okay, look, so wait,
He's at point 1 right now.
He's at 1, trying to get to 2, and I'm timed. No, I'm not. Okay, wait. So he's at 1, 2. Okay, wait.
He said there's a tractor statue and golden gate. So he's about there.
He's like right there. So this is hard. And then it's gonna start getting timed, I think. I feel like they're gonna time this. Because that would just make sense. So from 1
Wait, hold on. Are we trying to get him to escape?
we're trying to get him there. And I was looking, we can't go there because there's that little split off near 5.
We can't go there either because that's just a dead end. So it's.
We have to make our way to 10. How do we get to 10? That's the thing. Okay, wait, so let's see. If he is, let me try and like orientate it so we're facing these things. I had it like this, right?
Yeah.
Because, so, forward, left, or right, left. We need him to go.
Do not make him go left.
Yeah. Don't make him go left. Left is a dead end both ways. We need to get him over to 10.
Is forward an option?
Forward is an option, but forward.
I don't think that would get him anywhere either.
Yeah.
I think he needs to go right.
Well, 2 would kind of lead him in the same direction. Oh my god! Why is this so difficult?
Right. Just tell him to go right.
No, but we need to map this out because. Oh wait, no! We need him to go left. From here, see that right by the entrance where that's cut off? That right there leads this over here, going left. We go more left. We go to 4. We go down, left again. Go down, up, down, down, left or right down. We reach 7. We go through here. Then we go all the way around. Go to 10. We go forward.
Just make him go left already.
Not bad, bro.
Touch you.
I'm trying to figure this out.
Go left.
Go left.
Okay. I went left, then tried a right. I have a pig statue in front of me, and a creeping rocking horse on my left.
He's at 3 and 4. Yes. Okay, so he's right there. So we need to go left. Wait, what? There's a pig statue in front of him and a rocking horse was left. Wait, so he's facing this way. We need him to go right?
Definitely a direction.
We need him to go backwards. Backwards?
Go backwards.
Why didn't I just invite her over? I'm at a crossroads. There's a pitchfork statue up ahead. Which way?
Okay, which he's at 5.
He's at a crossroads. He's right
So
there.
we need to go left. Go left. Go left.
Oh, this wasn't how tonight was meant to
Roll
go.
the chainsaw?
I just wanted some love. There's a tiny barn in front of me and a scarecrow behind me. Nothing to my sides.
So ahead of him. Turn that upside down. Left would be right, right would be left. We need to go. Left? We need to go right? So he's got 8 in front of him. So facing from his perspective, from there, you're right.
Go right.
I didn't save! Oh no!
I can't run much more. I just passed a corn silo.
Is it 9? How did you get to 9? My dog. Just past a corn silo. Dude, I'm already here. Jude. The monkey boy's about to call you. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Before he calls me.
He's asking if he can come over. He called me because he's scared to ask you, and I'm like, I'm already here, dog.
I told him maybe. That wasn't true. Let me decline the call!
Why are you declining his call?
Cause.
Why?
Cause.
You want to call him later? Or you want to talk to him later?
Yes.
Are you just going to text him? 1006.
What happened? Okay, wait, so we just passed a corn silo.
Didn't see anything else. Please. Where do I go?
Wait. Oh my god, whoa.
Can he come over?
I don't know.
He doesn't know yet.
Oh, wait. Okay, wait. So, if Eugene's at 9, he just passed 9, he's not seeing anything. And he went left. We need him to go forward.
Go forward.
Okay. Here I go.
Is he dead?
I just screwed him. Ah!
This
He saved me.
looks right. No, I'm going back to where I was.
Jesus!
Oh, shit! He's cutting through the walls! Where do I...
Wait. Okay, wait. So don't go forward. I'm panicking because I thought he was supposed to go forward. Or was he here? He just said he passed a corn silo. That was it. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind. So he's past 9. He's at 9. We something. What?
Go!
Okay, wait. I need to save. I'm saving. Panic save. Okay. Go. Should go left. Yeah. Left.
Go left.
Okay! I'm going! Please! No!
God damn it.
You don't have to do this!
Good thing I saved.
Oh, shit! He's cutting through the walls! Where do I go?
Well, how is this now? Go right.
Go right.
I see it! I'm out! And my bike's still here! Oh, thank God! Thank you, Forrest! I love you, Molly!
I would fucking hate that bitch. She
That
left
was
you to die.
Oh, yeah, that's a fair point.
I think I held my breath the whole time.
Shame them.
Homeboy pulled out the chainsaw maneuver. He said, Maze, No.
Not where we're going.
Maze got all cut off.
Yeah, better it than Eugene, though.
By the way, why do you think Molly missed their date? Do you think she's okay?
Unfortunately for Eugene, I think she probably never left home.
Yeah. 149. We only have like a few more hours.
Thank you for calling in, Mr. Walter.
All right. I think we're gonna cut it here.
We'll make sure
So
to add the
we're gonna cut
town
it. No one has. I'm not gonna let. I'll do one run where I save scum, and I'll probably do.
You should do one run where you save everyone and one run where you kill everyone. You let everyone die.
Oh my god. There might be an achievement for that. Like, let's be honest here. There might be an achievement.
Not the best help.
Not. The officer dies at the beginning. Oh, there was an officer.
Ching 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 chong ching ching chong.
Or it wasn't an officer. It was a.
It was a person.
It was a operator. So, that's the wrong thing. Good thing I don't have anything on there.
Any suspicious things?
No. So, oh, man. Not even an hour. Jeez. All right. Well, this is what I'm going to get done for today. I know I said this in the last video, that this would be the last time you see the screen. Clearly it's not. But I have my thing for my monitor coming in soon today. So...
At 9?
Around so. Today will be the last time that this screen is shown.
Hopefully.
Hopefully,
most
yes.
likely.
Most likely. So,
Hold on, so like after they are you gonna do like video?
Yeah.
No, I mean like record video? So they're gonna be able to see us?
Oh, no.
Oh.
That's not gonna, I'm not gonna do, I'm not gonna do camera for a while. I'm not going to do face reveal anytime. I've only been doing this for what? Half a month? Well, that's all I've got for right now. Say bye.
Oh, what?
Oh my god. Say bye. You gonna say it? Are you gonna
Holding back the urge to say something very not nice.
say bye? It's one word.
I don't like those kind of people though.
What? Oh my god! I hate you so much.
See you next time!
If there is a next time.
If there is a next time.
Yeah, but like he said, see you next time. But yeah. Goodbye, my gleeps and glorps.
Texting your mother!
Okay. Goodbye, gleeps and glorps. See you in the back of the fridge next time. For when you for when you open the fridge to clean it out. Goodbye.